Hi, in this video we are going to talk about the maze problem in theory. So let's get started. Let's suppose we have a 5x5 chessboard-like two-dimensional plane. We are going to represent the maze with a two-dimensional array or a matrix. And let's suppose that we have some walls and we are going to represent it and illustrate it with dark cells. And the gray cells are the paths we are able to travel. So let's suppose that we have a starting point, the 0, 0 index, and the last cell is the exit we are after. So how are we able to find the exit? First of all, there's a naive solution, the brute force search. We try every possible solution and we try to find the optimal one. Of course, there's lots of possibilities, so it is not a good solution. A good solution would be to create a so-called search tree and make a depth-first search on that tree. And sometimes we are able to prune it, sometimes we are not, but in the end we are going to find the exit. And another solution is the backtrack. We can use the backtrack and recursive method calls without the need to construct a search tree, and that's what we are going to do. In the general case, we should consider going upward, downward, leftward, and rightward. So in the right direction, left direction, up and down. But in this situation, and the one we are going to implement, we're just going to consider whether we are able to go to the right or go to down. So we can go rightward and downward. We are not able to go back to the left direction, and we are not able to go upward. So here in this situation, we are able to go to right. And again right, because there's an empty cell. We are not able to go downward because there's a wall. And we are able to go right. And in this situation, we come to the conclusion that it's a dead end. We have to backtrack. So we keep back, and there will be a method call that we are going to do recursive manner. And on every iteration, we have to check, first of all, whether we have reached the exit or not. And the second one, that we have to check whether it is a valid move. So for example, in this situation, a valid move would be to go right and go down. Because we have already backtracked, we go down. In this situation, we are not able to go right, so we have to go down. But in this situation, we can go right, so we go right. But we are not able to go right any further. We go down. We are not able to go right, so we go down. And we come to the solution that we have find the exit. So we just stop our algorithm. So that's all about a theory. Thanks for watching.